Welcome to our new listing at 983 Fairway Boulevard in Incline Village at Lake Tahoe. I'm Victoria Popescu with Incline Real Estate Experts at Lakeshore Realty, and I'm excited to show you this stunning home. So let's go ahead and take a look. Offering an open concept floor plan, the living area features a floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace, soaring cathedral ceilings, and a large deck overlooking the golf course. This home has an ideal floor plan with a master bedroom located on the main floor. The generously sized master has custom gas fireplace, luxury bathroom, spacious walk-in closet, and a private deck. Downstairs is the large game room with the wet bar and 3 guest bedroom suites. Walk out to the beautiful landscaped backyard with a hot tub and a scenic view of the golf course and Sierra Mountain. This home has an amazing setting on the Championship Golf Course, just a short walk to the clubhouse. Thank you so much for taking a tour of this gorgeous home. Again, I'm Victoria Popescu with Incline Real Estate Experts at Lakeshore Realty, and should you wish to learn more about this home or what makes our village special, please reach out to us. We look forward to helping you.